Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video guys I'm going to show you how to use Vidnoz sound test. So if you currently have a headphone or whatever sound system that you have and you like to test the left or the right sound, this is a perfect free online tool that you can use. So what you want to do, just simply go to vidnoz.com and you can find the link of this website within the description of this video. And once you're there, simply go under resources and you will find the sound test. All you have to do is just simply go ahead and click sound test and you will be taken to this online Vidnoz sound test here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go ahead and select the left side first.
Left channel.
And then I will simply go ahead and test the right channel as well.
Right channel.
And this has basically test both sides of my sound to make sure that both sides is working. So if you have a headphones or a sound system and you're not entirely sure if both sides are playing, you can easily use this tool to test it out. I'm going to play it once more so that you can hear it.
Left channel. Right channel.
And this is working perfect for me. Now you might not be able to hear it because the sound is just coming through the computer here, but I can guarantee you that it really works and it works like a charm. Now guys, I really hope that you found some value within this video, and if you do, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, go ahead and like this video and let me know in the comments below what do you think. Go ahead and try this out, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe to see much more Vidnoz tutorial coming every single week, just like this one.